Hi! Here are some numbers of Guinness record related to Christmas. Most streamed track on Spotify in 24 hours. It's All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. This record was achieved on December 24, 2022. Streamed 21,273,357 times. Best-selling single for Christmas, Bing Crosby's White Christmas, released in 1942. The album has sold over 100 million units worldwide. As a single album, at least 50 million units have been sold. Highest-grossing Christmas movie? It is The Grinch, an American animated film. From November 2018 to Christmas 2020, a total of 514,602,427 was collected. First commercially printed Christmas card? It was this card, made in England in 1843. The center of this card depicts a family enjoying a Christmas party. On each side, there are scenes of providing food and clothing to the poor. 1,000 copies of this card were printed at the time. There are currently 12 cards remaining. I see a familiar phrase, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Most expensive Christmas card sold at auction? It was the first Christmas card printed in 1843 and sold at auction in 2001 for $28,000. The world's tallest cut Christmas tree? It was 67 meters and erected in a shopping center in Washington, D.C., USA in 1950. Largest artificial Christmas tree? It was 72 meters and erected for Christmas in Sri Lanka in 2016. Most expensive Christmas tree decorated? It was a Christmas tree erected in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates during the Christmas season in 2010. It was 13 meters tall and covered with 181 precious stones. The money spent on decoration was $11,026,900. Oldest Christmas tree? It is an artificial Christmas tree about 30 centimeters tall. The tree has been in a home in England since 1886. First electric Christmas tree lights? It was December 22, 1882. Edward Johnson, an inventor and colleague of Thomas Edison, installed it in his home. However, the first person to create the strand of electric lights themselves was Thomas Edison. It was 1879. Longest list to Santa Claus? It was a list of 124,969 wishes. This record was achieved in China in 2017. Largest gathering of Santa Claus? That's 18,112 people. This record was achieved in India on December 27, 2014. Largest group of carol singers? That was 25,272. This record was achieved in Nigeria on December 13, 2014. There are several historical records related to Christmas. Who first put candles on the Christmas tree? It is said that religious reformer Martin Luther was the first to put it in the 16th century. When did Santa Claus's wife, Mrs. Claus, first appear? It was 1849. Featured in a short story, A Christmas Legend, written by James Reese. What advertisement popularized the current image of Santa Claus? This was a Coca-Cola ad from 1931. From then on, the human form of Santa Claus became popular. When did Rudolph the reindeer pulling sleigh appear? It was 1939. It appeared in 2.4 million copies of a booklet distributed at a department store in Chicago, USA. Rudolph appeared as the 9th reindeer in that story. When did the fighting stop for a while to celebrate Christmas? It was Christmas time in 1914 during World War I. Look at the picture. British and German soldiers were hostile to each other, took a photo together. So it is called Christmas truce. Merry Christmas!